Hi everyone, Dylan Olson Art here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to draw Superman's dog, Krypto. So get a nice piece of paper, get a good pencil, and let's get started. So first off, what you really need to do is turn the paper sideways since Krypto is, well, a dog. So what we start out with for his body is gonna be kind of an half oval shape that goes like this. Think of like an orange, except this side's going to be a little smaller and this side's going to be a little bigger. It makes him look a little bit like a muscular dog. And then what we do for the head is you draw what's kind of like a soft, a triangle shape that goes like this. That will be the top of his head. This will be his neck. And then we can put a line here to set up where his head will start, where his mouth will go. And then what we do next for his legs are these little triangle shapes. This will be the back leg. And then about here, right where the head starts, you'll draw kind of a diamond shape, because we're kind of trying to draw him looking a little bit like he's in a stance. And then for this leg behind that leg, you can just draw a upside down triangle shape. And then you can do the same thing over here. Next thing you do is you're going to draw these little kind of like half oval shapes. And remember to draw very loose and lightly, so that way when you make mistakes, you can cover them up real well. And then make the front ones look a little bigger, because there's a little bit of perspective in this drawing, because his front legs are closer to us while his back legs are slightly smaller. Okay, now it's time to get into drawing his face. So let's start with his nose area. So a little bit above the line we put, you're going to start with this light kind of half oval shape, like that. So you'll draw that in. And then for his nose, you can draw another half oval. A lot of half shapes in this drawing. Really unique ones. And then you're going to put these three little circles that look like animal freckles or whisker holes. Okay, next thing you got to do, you need to draw a small little circle here for one of the eyes. Put another circle inside for the pupil, then you can color that in. Give him another one that's going to go like this. That'll be like a like a C shape. Then you're going to put another dot in there for another pupil. Give him a cheek line, and then give him some eyebrows. One's going to go like this. And then another one is going to go like this. Then you're going to close off the sides like that. Get his head there. And then for his ears, one ear is going to look like this, and it's going to stop about the same side as his freckles. So you'll draw that. So there's a triangle there. And then right here, this ear is going to go like this. So you're going to draw like a upside down V shape with another V shape and a curve that goes like this, because this ear's in front of us and this ear's at a different angle from behind. So now let's give him his mouth, and we're going to make him look like a happy dog. We're going to make him smile. So you'll draw that curve there. Then you're going to draw this kind of shape. You got the inside of his mouth, his tongue. You can shade in this area lightly if you want. Here's his lower lip and the lower, like that. And now we need to get the rest of his neck, and then we need to give him his collar. So what you do is you draw a straight line right lightly below, about the same place near the start of his body. You're going to draw this shape here. You're going to draw a curve at the top because his body is round. It doesn't follow the shape. And then you're going to draw 3 little circles that go like this. These will be like, they're like beads or buttons. Okay, now we can't forget he has this Superman logo or Kryptonian crest logo on the front of his collar. It indicates that he's, well, the helper of Superman. So what you do is you draw this diamond shape that goes like this. And now we need to draw the Superman logo details inside it. So we'll start with, to make things simple, we'll start with this side here. Then put another upside down triangle at the bottom that goes like this. And then what you can do is draw this side here. Here's the lower end of it. Then we need to draw the top part of the S. And make sure that the top side is a little thin too, but that the middle of the S is kind of thick, with a straight line here, followed by connecting that, and a small little triangle right inside the top corner of the S. So that is the basic shape of Krypto's head. Next thing we got to do, we need to give him his body. So let's start with one of the legs. And we'll start like near the middle where we put that diamond. Followed by a longer line. Draw that line. Give him his tummy right here. Then here's the paw right there. Then give him, put these 2 lines here to indicate the toes of his paw. Draw his other front paw, except you're going to put that paw in an opposite direction, and it's going to make sure the line on here sticks out a bit. And then draw the 2 lines right there. Then you're going to draw this lower end of his belly. Now we need to draw his other leg. It's going to go like this. Make sure the line sticks up. Darken in this back end here. Do the same thing with his back leg. Then for his back leg, you'll draw this line here. Then you can draw the paw, the other paw in front of it, just in case you don't get the same place as that one. That's why you draw lightly at first, so that way when you put something that you don't want there, it can either be covered up or erased real well. So we got Krypto's body, but one thing we can't forget to put on him is his tail. So what you'll do is you will draw this little sideways backwards S with a point, and then make it another one. And then you darken it in. Okay, so we got his entire body. Now we're almost done. If you remember, he also has, just like Superman and Supergirl, he has a cape. We're going to have it like flowing in the breeze as he is standing. So you'll draw a curve that goes up like this, and then you'll make a backwards S shape. It's going to go like this. Then you can draw the back end here. Then you're going to draw the fold lines that go like this here. And then if you want, you could also make his nose. I know I'm using a red pencil, but if you have a black pencil, you can do that. And then I'm going to lightly shade in his cape. I have a red pencil, so it's appropriate. If you want to put full color into your drawing, that's fine. This is a drawing. Drawings are supposed to be fun. And they're supposed to teach you things. And they're supposed to help you be creative. And then maybe as a last touch, you could take the side of your pencil and put a little shadow underneath him so that we show that he is standing on the ground and not floating in space. So, there you have it. You have your very own picture of Superman's faithful canine companion, Krypto. I hope you all had fun. Please make sure to like, subscribe for more videos, check out some of my others, and I'll see you next time. Bye.